du imagogu nilig ni hadamu.
Buenas, then Hoffini, to Marianas, and also our visitors and friends that we have that are logging in and watching our show. For tonight, we'll be making two dishes. The first one will be kodun pika, and the second one will be finadeni. Alright, so for those who do not know what kodun pika or finadeni is a stewed chicken. Usually it's stewing chicken, but then for tonight we're not gonna be using stewing chicken, but it's okay. I prefer either one, honestly. So it's really spicy, or it tends to be spicy. Pika actually means spicy in the Chamorro language, so kodun pika, it's gonna be spicy. And for our second dish, finadeni, it is a dipping sauce that you can find, or you should be able to find it in any Chamorro household in the Marianas. It's really good, and you could literally eat it with almost any type of meat, really. There's a lot of different versions of it. You could really put what you want in the finadeni, but typically the ingredients for finadeni is soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper, salt. You could slice up some onions in there, throw in some garlic, and also fresh doni. And doni means hot pepper. So, pika pika. Oh, you could also, if you don't have fresh doni, you could also be using jarred doni. And the island of Tinian is really popular for doni sali. And we even have a festival just dedicated to doni from Tinian. So back to ingredients for the kodun pika. Here we have already cut up chicken in the pot right here. We're just going to turn it on real quick and get that heat going on, medium heat. And for the rest of our ingredients, we also have vinegar, soy sauce, our seasonings, black pepper and salt. We have some sliced up onions right here, fresh doni. I prefer to use fresh doni in my kodun pika, and 1 can of coconut milk. If you could find this in the store, that'd be great, but also I prefer fresh because fresh is always the way to go. So the first thing we're going to do is to close the lid on our chicken. I'm just going to rearrange it a little bit here. Alright, we're going to be steaming this for about, I would say about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or as long as the chicken starts to sweat, and that's what you're going to be looking for. So while our chicken is sweating, we're going to be cutting up our own veggies here. We already have the onion sliced. I'll just be cutting it a little bit more, and also we'll be slicing our fresh doni and also our garlic. So a little background on kodun pika for everybody here while I try my best not to slice my fingers. Kodun pika is pretty much the way I see it. It's a traditional Chamorro food. It is a stufao, a type of way, or it's a way to cook chicken using soy sauce and vinegar. And the difference with it is that we make this one spicy, really, really spicy. It is typically cooked for dinner, but you could also be cooking it for chesa, for those, of age viewers. You would want to get the garlic pretty small, as you normally would when you're sauteing food. If you're lazy like me, you will put this in a food processor. Oh, and by the way, to all our viewers tonight, I literally just got out of work, and many other busy moms that come out of work and need to right away feed their kids. They're usually still dressed up in their work outfit, as you can see here. As you would with all other peppers, please wash your hands after you slice this up because nobody wants an accident. chop those really small, just like you would with the garlic. So we're just gonna be putting this back in our dish right here with the lovely onions. So here goes the doni back in there, and also our garlic. I know, but you guys want more garlic, the better for me. So for right now, we're gonna be checking on our chicken. Woohoo! There we go. Definitely sweating up. I love it. All right, so we're gonna put in our seasonings right now, and also our sauces. People each have their own preference. Like really, like would they like it more tasting like soy sauce or vinegar? In my household, I've been taught that the ratio is 3 soy sauce to 1 vinegar, and that will give you the perfect kind of pica. Or if no pica, if no doni, then estufado. All right, so right now I'll be adding in the soy sauce. Estufado, pretty much, it means, what does estufado mean? Okay, for everybody who is familiar with adobo, which is a Filipino dish, pretty much it just means to cook and simmer your chicken with soy sauce and a little bit of vinegar, sugar, seasonings, and lots of onions and garlic. It's really good, really fast, and you cannot go wrong with estufado or adobo, or in this case, carne pica. So we're just gonna be adding in the vinegar. Just maybe a little bit more, just like that. Perfect. I'm gonna be throwing in our own veggies right now. So like I mentioned earlier, it is the sliced onions, and then the garlic, and then the fresh doni. So just throw that in there. Oh yeah. And then of course our seasonings, so some black pepper, and a pinch of salt. You wouldn't want to go like super heavy on the salt because we already put lots of soy sauce. So just 1 pinch of salt. And then right now we would want to mix it up some more. Yes, I'll be using this knife to spread everything around. The longer you let this simmer, the more tasty the chicken is going to be, and the meat, as we all know, that simmering longer makes the whole dish taste a lot better, or that's what my mom tells me. Cover it up right now and just let it sit. All right, so right now, while our chicken is cooking up in there in the pot, we're gonna set up our coconut milk, which will be the last step for the carne pica. So for now, we'll just be opening it up. So we got the coconut milk ready to go, and we're gonna set that aside right here in the front. The next thing we're gonna be doing is preparing our finadeni sauce for this episode. And here we have our ingredients. Like I mentioned earlier, everybody pretty much has their own way of making finadeni. So for today or for tonight, we're gonna be using lemon. I got here sliced up already, so nice slice. Is some onions, we got it sliced in half and also chopped up small like this. And some more fresh doni, because the thing about tomorrow dishes is that they're usually all super pica and hot. Our people love pica. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is slicing our lemon in half, just to squeeze it into our bowl right here. All right, so I'll just scoochy these over here so you guys can see it. Woo! All right, everybody. So after the lemon juice, we're going to be cutting up our fresh doni once more. And then also the rest of our onion. Oops. Our onions, okay. If you do not have fresh should not feel bad to use doni that you buy from the store or doni that, you know, Sinai makes. There's no problem with that. Regarding the flavor, I wouldn't say there's much of a difference, but I've heard some people could tell the difference if the finadeni has, you know, fresh doni or doni that's bought from the store and already processed, ground it up, and I believe they put vinegar. So just finish chopping up the fresh doni. The amount that you're going to be using is seriously up to you. Just depends on how hot you want it. Set that aside. Throw away the stems. And finish up our onions. I usually like to cut my onions in slices. Makes it easier to grab with the meat. But for tonight, we're going to be chopping them up in about a centimeter of a size. It is really up to you. There's no right or wrongs when it comes to finadeni. I've seen so much different versions of finadeni, and I bet they all still taste really good. The thing about our people is that we know how to eat. Trust me. So just gonna put the onions back with the rest of the onions back with its lovely friends. About to be eaten by my stomach. And the next thing we're gonna be doing is putting in our soy sauce. So right now in our bowl, we have our lemon juice. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Right there. All right. And then we're gonna be putting in about, I would say about 1 tablespoon at a time. Something about the soy sauce is that you could always put more in, but once you put it in, you cannot take it back out. So I highly suggest to go at it. And the more you make finadeni, the more you get to see like the certain color of how it should be. Right now I put 2 tablespoons. Looks like that. Looks perfect. Oh, so good. Okay. And right now we're just going to be tossing in our onions. Okay, that's a good amount. And of course, our fresh doni. Wow, this finadeni is going to be so bomb. Everything here is fresh. Fresh lemon, fresh doni. It's going to be so, so good. Alrighty, so here's our finadeni. Money. And right now we're just going to check real quick on our chicken. Oh, looking so good. Look at that, everybody. Yummers. Maybe about 10 more minutes left to simmer up the cotton pica. And in the meantime, our own finadeni will be marinating the onions so that everything could get all marinated, soaked up, and super, super tasty. All right, everybody. Right now, we're going to be checking up on our cotton pica. Woohoo! Look at that. Looks so good. Alrighty, so then everything simmered down super nicely. We have a nice sauce going on. Just moving the chicken around a bit. You want to do that so every inch of the chicken gets super, super flavorful. Alrighty, so then for the last step we're going to be doing is adding in our coconut milk. Here's a can of coconut milk. And I would say add it in gradually. I would put in about maybe half a can at first. I just want to let everybody know that coconut milk is totally optional. Some Chamorro families do not put coconut milk. It's really up to you guys. For me, I like it either way. But I'm just letting everybody know that any food coconut milk is super, super mungy, which means good. So I just added a bit of coconut milk, and right now I am, right now I am just stirring it around, incorporating the coconut milk into the sauce. Oh my god, it is looking so good, people. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if I add even more doni when I eat my own, just because I love it crazy, crazy spicy. But that's just me. Hashtag BTJM. And then we're gonna let this simmer for about another 2 minutes. Gonna higher the heat to like a medium heat for about 2 minutes for the coconut milk. And after that, we get to chow. So there we have it, everybody. That is our cotton pica. Nicely simmering up in there. And also our finadeni sauce. And thank you guys so much for tuning in to Kutumutoro for this special feature with myself, amateur chef Hillary. Or everybody could call me Chef Hilz. And thank you so much again for watching. And I hope you guys try these recipes out and let me know how much you enjoy the Chamorro food. Bye! Adios!
Sa todo imagogu nilig ni